I'm good. You got his coffee, don't you?
Yeah. You want coffee?
Well, I don't want to get this car.
Oh.
Yes, I want. We're out. We're out. We're out. We're out. We're out.
Oh. You do. Oh, thanks God. Oh. Okay. How? I will let them
Drink the coffee.
Yeah. Huh? No, we're drinking this one. So we will let them pick up the Filipino and rescue them.
Yeah.
Dong!
Where's my chain?
Dong!
Yes. Where's my chain?
Yeah.
It's in the back of the truck. Did it?
The shovel dong is here.
What color? There's a one shovel at least here. Dong.
Because maybe my shovel I need tomorrow, but can you rescue the two Filipinos, me? Look at how. Thank you, Dong,
Thank you,
Alex.
guys. Thank you.
Me,
Ah,
can you rescue the two Filipinos?
yeah. Where are they?
And then
That's
just
a
bring in
plan
the
over
house.
here. Where are they?
They can sleep in the house.
What? Do you have the number?
In the plant.
You have the plant?
Yeah, the number is in the house. I cannot.
Okay, I'll turn around. And
Number of what?
The Filipino, because they stuck also in the snow.
Yeah. I will call Helen to call Decoy.
Let's see if I have been.
Yeah,
Thank
I have
you,
Billy's
Dong.
number.
Yeah, ihatid nyo lang sa
Sorry,
bahay.
sorry. You just go
Salamat,
back to your house.
Dong. Salamat.
Thank you, Dong. Just charge me to my AMA, CMA card, okay?
Okay.
Akong ipauli
See,
mo kay
that's why I don't need to borrow it yet, because you're gonna get, I have to pull you out.
you must have to borrow so that he will not use
Hey, you
anymore.
got to do something for the free food and wine.
Dong, kunin mo to, Dong, para hindi na to ano. Or are you going with them?
No, I got to turn around. Right
Yeah,
here.
you.
But I know where I'm at now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you try to rescue. You are the one rescue first before the one you will rescue.
It's horrible, you know?
Yeah, it's so. See, no, the sign there.
Yeah.
But you cannot see the road because of this snow.
Okay, now turn this off.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Now turn around here, okay?
Yeah.
Go back here.
You go back here.
Go straight back.
Yeah.
You should be
Be
fine.
careful. Yeah, you're fine.
Yeah. And now I can go this way, thank God. Just
Oh,
go straight back with the tire tracks. Right here, see?
yeah.
Now just go straight, see? See, this way you can see, not that way. Holy fuck.
Yeah. Really bad.
See, now you can see. I can see now. Oh, see, here's deep. See, look.
Yeah.
See how deep it is here?
Oh, yeah. Oh, maybe tomorrow we'll pile up with snow here.
Okay, so now at the point. Thank goodness. Well, at least I got the truck home, hon. That's the main thing.
Okay, look at the snow here.
Yeah, look. Did you travel there?
Yeah, I travel. Because they're blocking the... Where's my thing now? My glove. Is my glove there?
One here. One here. One. You got the glove?
Mm-hmm.